Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Hyundai IX35 SE, stock reference number 5720. The shape runs from the 6th month 2013 through to the 1st month 2016. It has a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. Left front guard has one small dent, left power door mirror, power fold type, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both left-hand doors have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, with the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tailgate has no damage, tidy rear bumper cover, park sensor type, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, aftermarket Kenwood CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.